Imagine waking up one day, sitting in front of your computer, and realizing you can't code anymore. You don't remember syntax, debugging feels impossible, and without AI, you are helpless. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But this isn't some dystopian future. This is happening right now to thousands of developers. Welcome to the era of illiterate programmer, all thanks to AI. AI tools are revolutionizing software development, but they are also slowly eroding our ability to think, debug, and truly understand our craft. Let's talk about how AI is making you an illiterate programmer and how to fix it. First, let's address the biggest problem dependency. AI is like an overprotective parent, it solves problems before you even struggle with them. But here's the catch struggling is how you learn. When AI does all the problem solving for you, you never actually develop the problem solving muscle. It's like skipping the leg day forever. Developers are becoming middlemen, blindly pasting AI generated solutions instead of understanding the logic behind them. It feels efficient now, but in a long run, it's a disaster. The moment the AI goes down, so do your skills. Remember the old days when debugging means actually reading error messages, digging into the documentation, and figuring things out. Now, most developers just copy paste the errors into AI and wait for a solution. The problem? They never learn how to debug. Understanding stack traces, reading logs, and manually testing edge cases, these are the skills that make a great programmer. AI is removing these essential learning moments, making us passive, not proactive. Here's something scary. Many developers who have been relying on AI can't even recall the basic syntax anymore. A simple for loop, gone. Database queries, gone. Memory management, forget it. This isn't just a random story. This is happening everywhere. The more we let AI handle our thinking, the worse we get at coding. It's like outsourcing your brain. And once you lose these core skills, they are not easy to get back. There's another problem. Frustration tolerance is disappearing. Programming used to be about persistence, hitting roadblocks, pushing through, and finally getting that eureka moment. Now, if AI doesn't give an answer within 10 seconds, developers panic. This leads to a lack of patience, lack of resilience, and ultimately burnout. The joy of problem solving is being replaced by an endless cycle of dependency. So, what can you do to escape the AI trap? Here's a simple plan no AI days. Take one day a week when you don't use AI at all. Debug the hard way. Before pasting errors into AI, try reading and solving them yourself. Write more, copy less. Instead of relying on AI autocomplete, force yourself to write code from scratch. Time box AI usage. Only allow AI help after you have tried solving the problem for 30 minutes. Read source code, write your own notes, and keep sharpening your skills. Listen, AI is not the enemy. It's an amazing tool, but only if you use it wisely. The key is to make AI your assistant, not your master. Your goal? Be the programmer who can think, debug, and problem solve even without AI. So take the AI detox challenge. Try coding without AI for just one day. You might be surprised at how much you still know and how much you have forgotten. Subscribe for more deep dives into coding tech and the future of AI, and let me know in the comments, is AI helping or hurting your coding skills? That's all for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights on navigating the tech world. See you in the next one.